Hello everyone, this is the model number 716 Advanced IoT based greenhouse over GSM. First we will see the hardware of this project. Step down transformer, voltage regulatory circuitry, Arduino Uno, LCD, ULN 2003 relay driver IC. This relay will be on that fan will be connected to be whenever temperature will be increased. This relay will be on when fire is detected, and this relay will be on that pump connected to be relay will be on, and soil moisture will be dry. ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. This is a temperature sensor, rain sensor, soil moisture sensor, thermistor and LDR. Now we will see the output. Now I will start the project greenhouse connecting Wi-Fi on LCD. ESP module getting connected to the Wi-Fi. After getting Wi-Fi connected, you can value of this sensor: temperature sensor, humidity, fire sensors, soil moisture sensor and rain sensor. You can see here light intensity is low. Light intensity is low. You can see here light intensity is high. Which will means the light as detected over the LDR. If make the LDR darker, will display the light intensity is low. Or medium, or depending upon the register's value. Now make the LDR darker, and after the make the LDR darker, you can see here it will be display on LCD light intensity is low. So now I will increase the temperature of the greenhouse. So fan will be get on and decrease the temperature and send the GSM of the message. This is a rain sensor. It will be rain and buzzer will be start and beeping. Temperature of the greenhouse. So fan will be get on to decrease the temperature and send the message on temperature is fan is on. This is a rain sensor. Start the beeping. Now you can see soil moisture is incident of water. So if remove this water, soil moisture will be dry. You can see water is flowing to make soil is wet. This is a Send the message of soil moisture motor is on. This is a fire sensor. Fire is detected, fogger will be on. So now all the data is connecting of the sensor and uploading the IoT page. This is a temperature sensor, humidity sensor, soil moisture sensor, rain sensor, fire sensor, LDR, pump condition 1, pump condition 2. Temperature sensor is 35, humidity sensor is 30, rain size is 997, soil moisture is 343, fire sensor is 834 and LDR 980. Pump condition is 0. Thank you.